Yeah, please, madam. Madam, I may be to move on motion, madam. Transfer and posting letter, madam. 2 o'clock, madam. 2. Oblige. My lord, item number 2, we were supposed to file affidavit on behalf of the sports department. We are yet to file, my lord. Can this be taken up after 3 weeks?
You have taken consent?
Yes, from the petitioner's side.
On the prayer, Mr. N. Ratan Lalit, additional advocate, at least this matter after 3 weeks, so as to enable him to file affidavit as directed by this court on
Yes, my lord.
last occasion,
Last order.
last listing on so and so.
Interim may be continued.
Interim order passed earlier.
Oblige.
Yeah, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23, your lordship.
23.
Yes, this matter to be listed in the next week, your lordship. Next week, your lordship.
Why?
Some problem, your lordship.
What problem?
In this matter, a stepping is appearing, your lordship.
Objection? No. On the prayer of Mr. MS P. Pang Land Council, State Council, and prayer not being objected to by Mr. D. Pang Land Council for the petition. List this matter after 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
And your lordship, also item number 4, your lordship. Here we are going to file our counter affidavit. So at least 2 weeks time may be needed, your lordship. At least 2 weeks time may be needed. We are going to file our counter affidavit. Yes, your lordship.
Okay.
Your lordship,
On the prayer of MS Land Council, State Council, let this matter be listed up to 2 weeks, so as to enable her to file affidavit in opposition.
Your lordship, there is an interim order in item number 4.
Yes, and continue.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 9, your lordship. On
9.
behalf, yes, your lordship. On behalf of standing council, your lordship, Peter for your. On behalf of Peter for standing council.
Yes,
Thank you.
have you taken consent from other side?
Your lordship.
Your lordship,
only.
Prayer, Mr.
yes, your lordship, item 9, I'm representing for the petitioner, your lordship. And then
Objection.
your
Do
lordship,
you have
on the
any objection?
your lordship, on the last date of hearing, they have saw time for filing affidavit. Today, it was the date for filing affidavit, your lordship. A short date may be given you in that case.
As agreed to by the land council of the parties, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Blessed.
Lordship, I would like to mention for pending matter, Your Lordship.
Pending, what is the urgency?
Your Lordship, there is a criminal proceeding against me in JMFC Consa, Your Lordship.
So,
Your Lordship, this is at the service stage. So last occasion, 3 weeks time was given. So it is already late.
after a week, after a week. After 1 week.
Yes, sir.
Lordship, with consent from the other side, I would like to mention item number 6.
6. What do you want?
Lordship, kindly it may be fixed after 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Oh, what? You are for petitioner?
Pardon.
Are you for petitioner?
I am for petitioner.
Petitioner?
Yes.
On the prayer of this so-and-so. Then counsel for the petitioner. This matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship, 3 weeks. After
3 weeks.
May I lordship? I beg to mention item number 19. I'm on behalf of Mr. T. Tapak. He's out of station. So kindly adjourn the matter for 2 weeks.
19.
Yes, item number 19.
IA is for what? This is listed for orders.
Lordship, I is for this, challenging the modification of this order dated, 29 April 2025. So I'm the petitioner and I. Lordship,
By
one
the
week-
IA.
Lordship,
Lordship,
one week may be given.
One.
as agreed to well, council will list this matter. Give their name, huh? Give their names. List after a week. After 2 weeks or after a week?
1 week. 1 week.
Your Lordship, if I may mention item number 25,
Hmm.
the council is out of station.
So,
Uh,
Ajal. Petitioner.
yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, After 3 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3, Your Lordship.
3,
Yes,
yes.
this item, Your Lordship, we need to file our affidavit, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
For that, we need some more time, Your Lordship.
On the prayer of MS, item 3,
Yes,
London State Council is this matter after 2 weeks, 3 weeks,
3 weeks.
3 weeks, so it's to enable her to file affidavit of this.
Lordship, there's an interim order that may be continued.
Entry order pass and yes, income.
Masuk.
Made, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, this petitioner, he was transferred, my lord, from the Procedural Electrical Division to, my lord, the office of the chief engineer at Itanagar.
That has been stayed,
That has been stayed.
yes.
Now, my lord, prior to the passing of the interim order, transfer order, my lord, there was an inquiry which has gotten relevance in this case. May I have your lordship's kind attention to that inquiry report at page 41.
51.
40, my lord, and I'll have your lordship's kind attention at page 40 and 41.
Yes.
Now, work execution finding.
Hmm.
The execution of the electrification work for BSNL tower at so and Lucy in Giba Circle under Dapuriju Electrical Division deviated significantly from the approved DPR and work order. The work commenced on verbal instruction of the then executive engineer in charge, not me, my predecessor, and was executed as per direction of junior without proper documentation and adherence to specification. The work orders were issued only after completion of the work and discrepancies were found between the executed work and the approved DPR. Now, this work contractor who did this work, my lord, they were insisting on payment, which I refused. Then a complaint was lodged that I was demanding 40,000 rupees for in lieu of payment. Now, kindly come to Roman 4 of the allegation against N.K. Jha, that is petitioner. The inquiry committee could not conclusively establish bribery, but recommended further expert verification of the audio and video evidence to ascertain the authenticity of the allegation. Now, my lord, since prima facie no materials were found, but the inquiry committee suggested that the forensic expert view should be taken. Then, my lord, kindly see the recommendation number 2. Based on forensic finding, necessary disciplinary legal action be initiated against the accused officer if found guilty. So that was but instead, my lord, this authority took note of this. Please come to page 47. Earlier, I approached this honorable court. The court, my lord, directed that my representation should be disposed of against the transfer order. Then at page 47, the secretary passed his order, paragraph 7. Accordingly, the inquiry committee under chief engineer powers was constituted by order dated 27/12/24 to conduct a preliminary inquiry to verify the allegation made against the officer. The inquiry committee conducted the preliminary inquiry and submitted its report to the Undersecretary Power, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Committee found allegations to be prima facie correct and recommended regular departmental proceedings. This is wrong, my lord. This was never recommended. That's why, my lord, This honorable court, while staying the suspension order, please come to page 62. This is the order passed in the transfer matter by the coordinate bench, para 23. It also appears from the impugned speaking order dated 16/5/25 that the Secretary Power Government of Arunachal Pradesh in paragraph 7 had observed that the committee found the allegations to be prima facie correct and recommended regular departmental proceeding against the officer, which seems to be incorrect on the face of the record. That is why, my lord, my transfer order was stayed.
Where is page?
My lord,
Page
page 62, my lord.
62.
Is the order passed by the learned single judge in the transfer, against the transfer order.
Yes.
Para 23 at page 62. It also appears from the speaking order dated 16/5/25 that the Secretary Power Government of Arunachal Pradesh in paragraph 7 had observed that the committee found the allegations to be prima facie correct and recommended regular departmental proceeding against the officer, which seems to be incorrect on the face of the record. My lord, suspension can be resorted to either when a disciplinary proceeding is contemplated or is pending. Now, prima facie, my lord, until the forensic expert's report is before the appointing authority, my lord, I don't think I could have been suspended. Now, I have been suspended because I could not be transferred out. So I'm alleging malice in law. Now, the suspension order, Lordship will kindly get at page number 87. Because this honorable court stayed the order, page 87. Whereas disciplinary proceeding against Niranjan Kumar Jha, executive engineer, is contemplated. Now, therefore, the undersigned in exercise of the power conferred by sub-rule 1 of so and so, so and so, so and so. Well, my submission is, if in the meantime, the forensic report has come, which suggests some material, then authority is correct. Otherwise, my lord, there is no material, because this observed prima facie finding has already been recorded by this honorable court. That's why on last occasion, my lord, I did not press for stay. I requested this honorable court that records should be produced. So record must disclose, my lord, that there is a forensic report and report reveals prima facie case against me. Then only it can be said that yes, a departmental proceeding is contemplated. Otherwise, my lord, there is no material. That is my humble submission.
Reports are here, my lord. It seems there are various complaints against the petitioner. The suspension is not done not on this allegation. It is on other reasons, my lord. There is a report by the superintendent engineer submitted to the chief engineer, which is the basis of the suspension, my lord. Not this, the bribery case. Illegal appointments made, my lord. Even after warning, even after termination, again reappointing.
Yes, sir.
My
Yeah,
lord,
yeah,
yes,
other
I know that
allegations,
point.
yes.
My lord, Lakshmi, kindly have a, sorry. My lord, this allegation is also not correct. My lord, what had happened in a project, executive engineer has certain discretion to make all this appointment has been cancelled on 27/3/25. What they were doing all this time, my lord, kindly see. In cognizance to the order dated 25/3/25, the casual appointment carried out in approval of so and so, except this, my lord. So therefore, any casual appointment issued by the undersigned other than the above shall stand cancel, repeat cancel. My lord, my humble submission is very simple, my lord. Suspension is a power, my lord, which is not to be exercised, I mean, just in a routine manner. Suspension should be resorted to in a case where major penalty is less. Assuming, my lord, there are some misconduct. For every misconduct, supposing, my lord, a disciplinary proceeding ends in a censure or a warning, that doesn't call for a suspension order. My lord, what is the allegation? Some casual appointments were made as per the scheme, my lord. When it was pointed out to me on 25th of March 25, I've already cancelled on 27.
That you have also appointed again.
No, my
You
lord, I
have
have not-
appointed some casual employees, you are defying in defiance of the order of the
No, my
higher
lord,
authority.
thereafter I have not made any appointment, as per my instruction.
Sir, let us do one thing. We'll
Yes.
issue notice, let them file the affidavit.
Affidavit.
It's in suspension only.
Okay,
We cannot, will not pass interim order.
okay, okay.
You file the affidavit?
Yes,
We'll try
Possible
to
fix a date
get it,
after-
dispose of after 3 weeks or
Yes.
2 weeks.
Yes.
Or Mr. Ken Chaudhary, London Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. So-and-so. London Counsel for the petitioner. El Sanctum, London Counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this petition is to the order dated 11/07/2025, passed by the Chief Secretary, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, by which the petitioner is placed under suspension in contemplation of departmental proceedings. Issue notice returnable by 3 weeks. As Mr. N. Ratan, London Additional Advocate General, enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents.
Yes.
1 to 4.
Huh?
There is 1 to 4.
1 to 4.
There is a private respondent.
Okay, 5 is there. 1 to 4. No formal notice need be issued. However, executive office be furnished to the London Council for the petition. The petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 5 by registered post insertion. Next paragraph. As the learned additional advocate general has placed the instruction, placed the has received the instruction along with the reports come up. Has granted, he is directed to file the affidavit in the affidavit in opposition before the last next list list after 3 weeks.
You'll also kindly give a date, 29
After 3 weeks. 29 of
of
August. 29 August.
1 second. 29. Deep level.
Obliged.
You take it back.
Yes.
Yeah, वापस कर दे. वापस कर दे.
Please, my lords, I appear in item number 5 for the petitioner. I am praying for some time. The main counsel is not available today for arguments.
You are for
For the petitioner.
petitioner.
He is for the
I am for the
petitioner.
petitioner, my lords. Yes, my
You want
lord.
some time? For what? So for what?
I am for the petitioner, my lords. The main counsel is not available today, my lords.
Okay.
The arguing counsel.
On the prayer of learned counsel, on the prayer, Mr. V. Srivastava, learned counsel,
Vishal
appearing
Srivastava.
on behalf of
Can it be on
On
first
behalf
of,
of petitioner, my lords.
can it be on the
Hearing
fir-
on behalf of petitioner. Let this matter be listed.
on 1st of September if it is not in?
1st of September.
Uh,
1st
Please, my
of
lord. My
September.
lords, can it be second? My lords, can it be second?
Learned Advocate General Mr. I. Chaudhary is present. 1st of
My lords,
August,
can it be
I mean
second?
September. 1st of September.
Please, please, my lord. Always.
Then second. Mr. Advocate General, 1st of September is holiday.
Holiday. In that case,
My lords,
my calendar
second
doesn't
in
say
that
so.
case, my lords.
In that case, second, let it be second.
Second.
New High Court building.
Yes.
Always, my lords.
Sir. Yes, sir. In process. Matter has become in process.
No,
Why?
still no award has been made to the
No.
private respondent. Respondent was happened.
Yes, affidavit. Why no affidavit?
Item number 7 become infractions because, my lord, this petitioners file after withdrawing the EMD, my lord. So item number 7, WPC number 111 is not maintainable, my lord.
Yes. You have already
No,
withdrawn the
Then
EMD,
perhaps-
accepted.
no. EMD is different. Here the term and condition, EMD is not a security. Security is and EMD is different. Here in the case, this question,
The affidavit will be required.
My lord,
Yes.
affidavit we have filed, my lord.
this question
Who has
cannot be
filed?
raised.
Respondent 1 to 6. Who is 1 to 6?
1, 2, 5, 6, my lord. Yes, my lord, we have filed, my lord. We have filed on 23rd, 6, 2025,
Yes,
my lord.
respondent number 7 has
Record number
filed
4 on
affidavit.
behalf of respondent.
Respondent number 7 has
There is
filed.
office note. In item?
111, my lord, WPC number 11.
Is the office note. Have you received the copy of the affidavit of his?
Yes.
No.
If-
By government, we have not.
Huh?
Well, no.
Your
No.
instructing counsel is saying that he has not received.
नहीं, ये government का नहीं है।
Private respondent, we have received.
No. We want
No.
not the government.
For government, record has been called for and record has been brought by the government.
Would like to let them find that.
Only pinpoint is that.
Hmm?
They are challenging my EMD withdrawal. My contention, what is my contention in the writ petition?
You are
My-
challenging or they are challenging?
No. He has not deposited at all the EMD. He has not deposited.
Yes. You file the affidavit.
There is interim order operating. So therefore, last occasion also I made certain objection, my lord.
Would like
See,
to have the
no, but-
affidavit of the state.
Well, let me, I explain in 2 minutes, my lord.
Next week, let them file. Have you received the instruction? We'll dispose of next
No,
week.
no, my lord, just give me 1 minute. I'll explain. Then my lord will not require the affidavit from their side also, my lord.
Why?
No,
This is the action of the state. You are the beneficiary of the illegal action of the state.
legal or illegal, my lord, that is subject matter of adjudication. However,
Alleged illegal action.
I'm sorry, my lord, as per my record, I said, my lord, 23rd, 6, 2025, we have filed the affidavit, but.
Why this
for the
is?
court's record, my lord, there is nothing with my lord. There is no such thing.
Day after
Very well,
tomorrow.
no,
You have filed or you have already filed?
we will give the copy to them.
You have not received this.
my
No,
lord,
they
kindly,
received.
fight, we have.
Day after tomorrow. I'll direct them to verify.
My lord,
Office note is there.
No,
That the
I-
affidavit has not been
I'm
filed.
traveling by 3 p.m. I'm traveling by 3 p.m.
So then,
Uh,
when you come back, when you're coming back,
I'll come back on 31st.
your presence in the next 2 weeks will be indispensable.
No, but just
Being a
some
president, the
urgent, I cannot
president of the
avoid,
bar. Huh?
I cannot avoid.
So why you are traveling? Avoid?
Some urgent matter in the Apex Sport as well. I need to appear and kindly have it on fourth, Milord, on 4th.
Okay. You will direct them to verify. Huh?
Yes.
Heard Mr. Empathy, Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. K. The Counsel for the petitioners. Petitioner. And
We have for 7.
you have not filed in the writ petition 95.
95, my lord,
My lord, the affidavit we have filed, my lord.
No, 95 become infraction.
95 has become infraction.
Yes, in 95. we have
Okay,
challenged-
in 1995, Mr. M. Pertin, learned senior counsel, fairly submits that the writ petition has become infraction. Please, Mr.
I'm sorry, my lord. In 95, my lord, WPC 95, we have filed the affidavit. In WPC 111, we have not filed because this petition has become infraction.
No, what he's saying in 95 is become interest.
no, my lord.
111 has become infraction now.
No,
Yes, decide. 95, why?
No,
95 is for recommendation of the respondent number 7 by
Okay.
the board member who have evaluated the tender papers. And 111 is for approval by the government. So we have challenged in 111, we have
So
challenged.
he's saying infractions, why?
both
then
by
what-
approval and
no, my lord,
recommendation.
if writ petition number 95 was filed where there was no stay order challenging the award of the work. Thereafter, suppressing the material fact after withdrawal
We'll
of the,
consider that.
after withdrawal of
So,
the
so
EM.
you have the records.
My lord, record, my lord, within.
Why granting, he's seeking for fault within this 1 week, you filed the affidavit in 113, I mean, 333,
111, my lord.
111, sorry.
111, I have said, my lord, that petition was filed, my lord. After withdrawing the AMD from the department.
Okay, that may be a good ground.
My lord.
Will hear,
My lord.
according to him, it's not.
That's why, my lord, the honorable director asked to produce the record, my lord. So we brought the record last time, my lord, and still I have that, my lord. That-
So you filed the affidavit, including this maintainability, whatever is there.
My lord.
All right. As per the records, so it's a same tender, almost same tender, and the records is there. You file short affidavit, whatever is there. Okay.
On 4th.
So this is 95 is infractions.
May not, it may not.
Or Mr.
Kindly,
M. Pertin, no, Mr. M. Pertin, learned senior counsel fairly submits that this writ petition has become infractions. Please, Mr. R.S. Nabu, learned additional advocate general for the state, additional advocate general for the state, and Mr. Titi Tara, learned counsel
for
for
R6.
respondent number 6 are present. Please. Accordingly, writ petition is
Well,
closed as infractions.
My lord, may I just make a request in this matter? See, what happens is, these writ petitions should be tagged along. My lord, even-
1/4/2025, maybe continue.
my lord,
No,
these
which
two might,
item, 111,
Interim.
writ petition 111.
that's why, my lord, I'm just trying to clarify.
Hmm.
The 95 was filed challenging the award of the work to the respondent number 6. Then thereafter, what had happened, my lord? Then subsequently, they
Sir,
have
don't
filed,
make your learned
No.
senior more wiser. He's already wise.
wiser sometimes closest with the windows. So therefore, I'm making this statement very seriously. Why this writ petition has not become infructuous?
I think
Because subsequently, he has,
111.
yes, no,
That's
95, 95, my lord, has not become infructuous. Because first he filed that writ petition, thereafter after withdrawing the EMD, he is suppressing the material fact, he has filed this 111, and then interim order was granted. So that is the issue. Therefore, this cannot be infructuous.
Here,
This
here
has a
in the case,
connectivity in this matter.
the tender was invited amongst the cooperative, multi-purpose cooperative societies. But though he has participated, but he has not deposited EMD at all.
Okay, we'll see.
Fine, my lord. Can we keep both?
He
the
has not
petitions?
deposited.
95 will do it. We'll
Yes.
do it. We have already passed the order.
Fine, my lord.
Let it
No
go. We'll
worries.
take it on its own merit of the matter.
And in
Alright.
interim,
In
interim continue,
item,
take to the next step.
1111, 111, you said, heard Mr. Swain's learned person. And
There is a
As-
younger
as-
brother
as-
is also appearing for
as
some.
a learned counsel by the party, you record his name also.
8 and 9 is for 8.
Place this matter on 040/8/2025. In the meantime, no, 08. August is 9 or what? 8. Everyone is making me confused. You don't, at least you don't. The state to file affidavit. Huh? Interim order plus alias continue.
On 4th.
What? What is to be done today? What is to be done today?
My lord, this item number, my lord, connected 10, 11, 12, my lord. My lord will be requiring some more time to file affidavit, my lord.
Yes.
This is coming for the second time.
So, let me
Milord, let them file their
affidavit. Yes, that's all.
Milord, I have spoken to Mr. KL Milord.
Hmm.
We're agreeable to 29th, Milord. August.
August.
29 August.
Head Mr. Jain Chaudhary. Then senior counsel assisted by Gautam. RM Dekar. Then counsel for the petitioner. And you record all them. Arrest number, which for one? Respondent number one? Deputy Solicitor General of India. Then 2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are praying.
Kipa.
Yes, T Kipa.
A Kipa.
Yes.
A.
T Kipa. Tanya Kipa.
Huh? Four. And then 3 is RH.
My lord, I know.
Addition.
7.
3. Chronological, serially. Then SCKL. Huh? You said before the user, on the prayer of so and so, that this matter be listed on 29 08 2025. So as to enable the respondents to file their respective affidavit in the
Not three, my lord. Respondent number 7, I'm referring.
Yes, yes. We'll check it
My
out.
lord. One more request, my lord. Repeat it for please.
Yes. Already given.
So your respondent number?
Already
Respondent
given.
number 2, 3,
Asa,
4,
aapne
5,
diwan.
6. We are referring to
One more.
Girl, sir.
Yes, I'm along with.
along with
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So,
Milord, interim orders will have to be.
so you are the last man,
My lord, yes.
last respondent. State should be always at top.
My lord, they made us last respondent.
Lordship,
Interim order pass. Yes, sir. Continue.
Lordship, that interim are different in order.
In all the 3 cases, there are
That will
interim
be
orders.
a separate order.
Yes.
but Same order.
Yes.
To be
Yes,
continued.
But it should be listed together again. Huh? It will be separate order, but same order.
Yes.
Yes.
Lordship has extended the interim.
Yes,
order.
yes.
Deep down.
No affidavit.
Your Honor, no affidavit, Your Honor, till
What is the matter?
since the matter is pending since 2022, Your Honor. Till that, they have not filed their affidavit, Your Honor. So matter can be listed for admission also, for final.
On the part of Union of India is under process, madam.
Okay.
Some more time may be granted,
We'll list it for admission.
madam.
Yes, sure.
After
Heard Mr. B type of the non-counsel for the petitioner. Will next one on the prayer of Mr. M. Kato London's DSGO. List this matter after 3 weeks.
4 weeks, madam.
After 4 weeks, so as to enable him to file affidavit in opposition. List the matter for admission.
Congratulations.
Yes, 14.
Lordship, we have filed our affidavit already.
You have filed?
Yes.
With the respondent number 5 and 6? Which for the petitioner?
5 and 6. Actually.
Non-appears for the petition on call, the office note dated 25/07/2025 indicates that the service report in respect of respondent number 5 and 6 are still awaited. list after 3 weeks. Awaiting service report.
Obliged.
No affidavit. Respond number 11.
Yes,
You
Your
have
Lordship.
filed?
We have received our instruction. We will be filing, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. Tita.
One week, madam.
1 week.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
1 week, madam.
1 week. Why not try in the new building? After 3 weeks. 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Mr. Tisa, then counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of MS P. Sangita, Land State Council, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks so as to enable him to file affidavit in opposition.
Obliged.
Obliged.
My lord, item 16, my lord.
Yes.
Item number 15 and 16 are analogous matter. Worship. This
Is it?
matter is the IA of the
My lord,
main case.
I'm told.
Last time, state was directed to produce the original records.
15? 16?
Item number 15 and 16.
No.
It is 16.
16 is different.
We
15
are-
is different. It's
16
already over.
16 and 17.
Huh?
No.
16 and 17.
It's actually
16
my lord.
is also
16.
Only 16, yes.
My lord, I'm told, my lord, that Mr. Picha is unwell. So I don't know because petitioner
I
he's
am
appearing-
representing.
Mr.
the petitioner counsel,
Ah,
Mr.
yes. So what is to be done?
Today,
Madam-
the state was to produce the original records before this honorable court.
IA.
Conducting counsel, Mr. And rather he is like in
Hmm?
court too, Your Lordship.
After some time.
In fact, I have spoken to him.
Hmm.
He says that they have not obtained the records.
Why?
Malad, other reason in this case, Malad. This is a Malad, a completely dispute between the two parties, Malad, untitled dispute, Malad. So, Malad, in such case, Malad, the only civil judge is the Malad authorized to Malad. This is a Malad, the disputed facts of Malad, the case.
Not exactly disputed facts of questions, but we are
Amount
telling.
has already been deposited by the Malad, the Union of India for compensation.
Who is appearing in this last order is there to obtain additional records?
Mr. N. Ratan.
Where is?
He is like
He is engaged in
engaged in court too.
court number 2.
So
And inform that
he has not received the.
He has not received the.
We'll grant some time.
Your lordship may grant a time 3 weeks time to them to
3
produce
weeks.
it. 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Heard Mr. JG Land counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. Police also heard Mr. M. Kato London. You are for
respondent number, Malad,
Union of India.
Union of India.
Deputy DSG and Mr. Rituras Biswas. For respondent number
7.
7.
Yes.
Respondent number 7.
Yes.
Yes. Come on, it is submitted by Mr. MSP Sangita London District Council that she is yet to receive the additional records as directed, as sought to be produced, as directed to be produced by this court, for which she prays for the another 3 weeks time to place the report. Praise the Lord. This after 3 weeks.
Interim may be continued.
Interim order passed, I'll just continue.
Obliged.
Yes.
My lord, this item number 17, 18, my lord, I have some doubt whether the petitioner can approach this court under 226 because they are a Chakmas, my lord. Now 220 basically for the citizen, my lord. Now Chakmas citizenship, my agent that I don't have any notification. I came across issued by any competent
You
authority.
file
my lord.
that affidavit. You file your response, taking that plea also.
Please, my lord.
Yeah. Non appears for the petitioners on call.
17,
Just was in item 16, the office note that 17, 17, non appears for the petitioner on call. However, respondents are represented by which one?
Malad, I am for respondent number 2 and 3.
Okay, and RH Nabab, London Additional Advocate General, and D1, the Mr. M. Katov, London Additional, London Deputy Solicitor General,
One is in
8, 9.
as well as Mr. So-and-so for respondent number are present, huh? Mr.
1, 8.
Office note dated 25/07/25 indicates, reflects that service report in respect of respondent 5, 6, 7, 11, 12 are still awaited. List the matter after 4 weeks awaiting service report. Then what about the item 18? Let me see. Here you said change will be other office note same date, huh? In respect of respondent number 7 only here. Item 18, huh? List along with the item 17, huh? 20 also. How? Okay. 20, huh?
Here also they are calculating like that.
This is in respect of respondent number 10. Item 20, huh? 10. Yes. Huh? 4 weeks. All 4 weeks.
My lord, I'm appearing from Guwahati, my lord.
Yes.
I'm R. Sharma, my lord. Senior counsel, my lord. These two matters, my lord. The item number 22 was filed by the petitioners 2 years back in 2023, and finding no response from the state authorities, the respondents are yet to file the affidavit in 480. And so we...
Sir, are you for petitioner?
Yes, my lord. In item number 21, my lord.
21 and 22.
Yes, 21 we are the petitioners, and in 22 we are the respondents.
See, there is a report that unserved notice in respect of respondent number 4 has been received back. You take
my lord,
fresh steps.
my lord, we'll take fresh steps, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Arsar Land Counsel for the petitioner
London Senior Counsel, my lord, assisted by
is granted 2 weeks, 1 week's time to take fresh steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4. List
My
after
lord,
4 weeks.
if I may, my lord.
Along
my
with
lord,
item number lead petition 480 of 2023. Yes.
and my lord, in item 21, my lord.
After 4, it will be listed after 4 weeks.
My
Sir,
lord,
you take the steps within 1 week. Right.
my lord, I'm R. Sharma, Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. N. Khera, my lord.
Okay, huh?
Assisted by Mr. N.
Miss-
Khera.
In that case, we will say heard Mr. R. Sharma, Randeep Sharma,
Randeep
Senior
Sharma.
Counsel, assisted by Mr.
N. Khera. Nitin
N.
Khera.
Khera, Land Counsel for the petitioner.
My lord.
Since in view of the office note, that it office note, which office note, in view of the office note, since the office note indicates that reflects that unserved notice in respect of respondent number 4 has received, comma, the Land Counsel for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice. Fresh
My lord.
steps, huh?
My lord,
Service of
and-
notice of respondent within a week.
My lord.
List the
My
matter up to 2 weeks. Along with WPC 5, that, huh?
And my lord, in 22,480, my lord, we are respondents number 2.
480. Yes, that's all.
Oh, my lord, number 22, I'm assisted by Mr. N. K. Rao. My lord, we are
Yes, yes.
respondents number 2, my lord.
Yes, I have recorded already, sir.
My lord, my lord, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
Hmm.
All right.
Mention of what? 24? Hmm. Yes.
I'm on performer respondent, Your Lordship.
Who is the main respondent?
Education, Your Lordship.
So I think he's there.
Yes.
He'll come. So may I step, my lord? My lord, I was appointed as appointment order is at page 19, type copy is at page 20. IED coordinators,
Page 20.
page 20, yes.
So could we engage as IED? What is IED?
IED, is, there is every,
IED is improvised explosive device.
no.
Huh?
Let me check out. It's there.
You are seeking regularization.
Contractual under service sector. Yes.
How? Why? Under what provision?
Integrate, this is that I will come, my lord.
No, you cannot claim as per with the SSA, contractual SSA teacher.
My lord, I am coming.
What is your post? That's why. What is IED?
It's there. Something
Hopefully-
integrated, disable something.
Hopefully, it's not improvised explosive
No.
device.
Just I missed out. It's there.
Yes, Mr. Tagum, what is IED? My lord.
No, it's there.
Inclusive education
For disabled.
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 Disable.
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Inclusive.
Inclusive education for
For disabled.
disabled, madam.
So there are several coordinators in different.
For disable.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Coordinator.
Yes.
On contextual basis.
Contractual basis.
Yes.
And there was a advertisement, an interview called walk-in interview was conducted. So accordingly, on the basis of merit, I was selected.
What is that advertisement?
Advertisement is at page. No, board was page 17. Annexure 1. A board is considered for conducting of walk-in interview for selection of few staffs under SSA at coloring on such and such date at office chamber of Deputy Commissioner, Kurongkome, then the Kurongkome district. So Deputy Commissioner chairman, then DDIC members, and accordingly I faced a walk-in interview and I got selected and appointed. Then after bifurcation of Karadadi from Kurongkome, now I am serving under Karadadi district. My lord, there was no any break also. Till from first agreement till today, now almost 20 years.
For a period of 1 year.
Yes.
What is the extension? Any extension?
There is no extension. Since then, I am serving. There was no any notice.
Sir, what can we do?
Yes.
Your case is only that it should be, your service should be regularized as has been done.
Yes.
To the contextual SSA teacher.
SSA teacher, they were also initially born from this scheme. Same scheme.
Doesn't matter.
SSA.
Doesn't matter.
And
well, it's not equivalent post. It's not the same.
Otherwise, education pollution, I am also equally eligible to absorb as a JT teacher. I have
all the requisite.
Under what? Under what provision? Is there any provision or rules that a person who has been appointed, who is serving or appointed on contractual, forget about contractual, as a EID coordinator can be appointed or
But
considered for
otherwise,
appointment or as a teacher?
Otherwise, as of today, rest of the, in almost other district, these coordinators is made by the regular teacher.
We don't know.
They are the made by the teachers.
That
My
cannot-
friend,
That cannot be basis.
government advocate will not deny that. And my lord, I'll,
How many years?
now 20 years I am serving. So where I have to go now?
We only can observe that
My lord,
the state may take a sympathetic view for consideration of his regulation. That
my lord, there is one decision of Supreme Court 2024.
yes, that
So since
what is the name of that?
name of the case is Union of India and other versus Jago versus
Jago.
Union.
There's a judgment of this court also. Find out that.
Then Uma Bharati has a differ. Even in Uma Bharati,
Uma Devi.
Uma Devi,
Bharati.
sorry, Uma Devi. It is about
You appear to have a very close connection with Uma Bharati.
backdoor entry. Backdoor entry. But in my case, I am not backdoor
She's a
entry.
big leader.
Yes, she was big. She is still,
She's there. She's
Uma,
still there.
Uma Bharati is still there, I think.
You were. So it's Uma Devi. Jago. Jago versus Union of India.
Yes.
It's not Union of India versus.
Jago versus Union of India. So in this case,
There is a
they-
judgment of this court also.
that I could not find. I
You
have.
find it out. Based on the Jago we have directed.
Yeah. My lord, otherwise
Para,
also.
para? Which para you are relying? You. The white judgment, usual judgment from this court. In this bench, I think before this summer vacation. Regularization of services.
25 is also this is all the observation made by the court. And 27. So they have discussed every reasons why it should not be regularized. In this case, they approached the tribunals and they turned down, and their post was terminated, service was terminated. Again, they approached the High Court. High Court also confirmed the decision of the tribunals. And finally, the FX Court, Supreme Court, they have interfered with and they have directed the authority to.
But
reinstate-
your case is not a regular kind of this is under the scheme.
But
Exactly.
my lord, it's true. It's a scheme, but since 20 years, they have to, even in the rural development, RD, they started to do some, they have to make a policy to absorb the contractual is under a scheme to absorb in a line departments. Even RD, they have.
In
done-
fact, you are serving without any appointment order, because the appointment order is for 1 year, contractual. Thereafter, there is no extension.
No, it is the fault of the government. Because of that, there must be some appointment extension. It deemed to be extension.
My lord, after every break, my lord, and every year as per the, in terms of the initial appointment.
Have you filed affidavit?
Yes, my lord.
They have not
Their-
stated anything about it.
Their contract, my lord, has been renewed from time to time, my lord. Although we have not brought on record, my lord, that part, my lord.
No, you have to bring in record.
My lord, we'll bring it on record, my lord. We shot it subsequently, my lord. We have been given, my lord.
Huh?
That additional document they have furnished later on, my lord, after filing the
counter affidavit, my lord.
My lord, ample time has given to the government side.
My lord, that is the fact, my lord. Their appointment is for a period of 1 year, my lord. And after expiry of 1 year, my lord, the renewed, my lord, contract is renewed from time to time, my lord.
Maladi, so is the one set of the employees, their policy, government formulated the policy and absorbed them phase wise. We are not asking that one go we should be regularized.
Policy is in respect of particular
Yeah.
category of the employees, my lord. The serving teachers. This policy decision does not cover the non-teaching staff.
That
It's
is the exact
exclusive.
issue. Otherwise, whether this scheme can function or work without the ministerial staff, that is also issues. That part has to be also take care of it.
Even in the regular department, we don't have a coordinator post. This is the coordinator post is in the scheme of the SSA, my lord.
Under what the scheme? What
The
is
Service
scheme?
Sector Aviance, my lord. Now,
What is the scheme?
now it is now known as ISSE, my lord, Samagra Shiksha, integrated.
No scheme.
Why they have been allowed to? Why he has been allowed to serve without there being any extension?
No, they have been extended, my lord. If required, I'll bring it on record, my lord. They should have. They have even signed the agreement, the contractual extension. That should have been a part of the department. The petitioner, my lord. And we have, when it is not there, we short some.
No, initially they were. He was appointed as coordinator.
Yes.
Under what? SSA.
Under SSA, my lord.
As non-teaching, which is a non.
Yes, no, non-teaching.
Now he has been allowed to continue under the new
Same
scheme.
scheme. Not only nomenclatures change, same scheme. SSA only. The earlier it was known as SSA Service Sector Aviance. Now later it has been renamed as Samagra Shiksha or integrated integrated.
Integrated.
Integrated, my lord. Integrated scheme for school education.
School education. That
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Yes,
ISSE.
Nomenclature has been changed.
Yes, nomenclature.
In between
Under this scheme.
Scheme for school education.
Yes,
From
ma'am.
SSA.
Yes. As well as SSA. Now it is integrated scheme for school education.
So there is no dispute that he has been allowed to continue till then.
My lord, there's
By extending his service.
yes, every year, my lord, there's a break, and after formality.
Forget about the break. You have
Yes, my lord. That is there, my lord. He is
According to
continuing.
there is no scheme. There is no, provision under the scheme for
No,
regularization.
there's no such scheme. My lord, there's
And
no
unless
problem.
the state takes a policy decision.
Yes,
of
my lord.
regularization,
Yes, and we
and
don't
there's
know.
no post of coordinator in the regular.
Yes, my lord.
There's no regular post of
No,
coordinator
my
in
lord.
the
There's no
department.
regular post, my lord. And we don't know like how long this scheme will. It is we are serving. This scheme is being functioned at the mercy of the central government. But at any time it can be wind up, my lord.
So what is your role as a state, as an education department?
My lord, since there's no provision, my lord, that there's no policy decision
What is
and
the scheme? Any guidelines?
guidelines we have brought it, my lord, at
For
the
appointment of
affidavit, my lord, page 10 to 12, my lord.
10 to 12. Privacy. Huh?
This is, my lord,
10 to
personal modification. My lord, this is how this only serving teacher under SSA, my lord, they are being regularized, my lord.
10 to what? Page
Page, my lord, 10.
of your affidavit.
Yes, my lord, affidavit of opposition.
No, I'm asking the scheme for appointment. I mean the guidelines for appointment of this coordinator under the scheme. How they are appointed, under what guidelines?
My lord, under SSA, my lord, that That we'll have to bring it to record, my lord, that have not been, my lord, furnished with.
It has to be, we have to be very clear, sir.
That is right, my lord. My lord,
So according to you, there is no policy
my lord, there's no policy as such.
or there is no guidelines, no
For regular-
provision under the guidelines.
For
I'd like to
regularization.
have the guidelines.
My lord.
Can you produce
My lord.
today? After some time.
My lord, today is not.
But disposing of, you
No.
file the affidavit, we can afford to keep it like that. Heard Mr. G. Tarak, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. T. Tagut, learned counsel, learned standing counsel for education department. For respondent number,
Respondent number, my lord, 1, 2, 3, and 5.
1, 2, 3,
And 5.
as well as P. Sangita, London State Council for respondent number 4. Huh? By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to the respondent authorities to regularize the contractual service of the petitioner as IED, as integrated what?
Integrated scheme for
Scheme.
school education.
No, it cannot be scheme. IED.
IED, my lord. Inclusive, my lord.
Inclusive education.
Education,
Inclusive education for disabled.
disabled children, my lord.
For where do you get it?
This page 12, para 15 is there.
Huh?
Page 12, para 14, 15 of my repetition.
Page 12.
Para 15.
Inclusive education for disabled, huh? Coordinator. At par with the contractual teacher of Service Shiksha Abhiyan, whose services have been regularized as a teacher after being appointed in the scheme, under the scheme. Mr. Briefly, next para, briefly put, comma, the petitioner was appointed as IED coordinator on contractual basis in the office of district project officer, comma, Service Shiksha Abhiyan, Kurung Kume district, in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. After selected, after this process by conducting walk-in interview by an order dated 31/010, the 31/10/2005. Listen. Since then, the petitioner has been serving as IED coordinator on being after extension of his service from time to time. Please. Next para. The Government of India launched a scheme, namely Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, with an aim to provide useful and relevant elementary education to all children in the age of 6 years to 14 years. List of for the under the scheme, the teachers are being the teachers have been teachers and non-teaching staffs. The teaching and non-teaching staffs have been appointed on contractual basis by implementing the centrally sponsored scheme by the state government. List of the after the implementation of the said scheme, the respondent authorities have appointed several thousands of contractual teachers and ministerial staff, non-teaching and ministerial staff within bracket non-teaching staff for a period of for a period of 1 year. List of the petitioner has been appointed in the year 2005 after this selection process and allowed to continue till date on contractual basis by extending his service from time to time. List of the Government of India thereafter continued the scheme by changing the nomenclature of the scheme, which is presently as integrated school. What is this? Integrated scheme for school education. Which is being implemented by the state respondents. List of next paragraph. Mr. G. Tarak, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that says the petitioner has been appointed.
This is this court's judgment.
Submits that since the petitioner has been appointed as IED coordinator on contractual basis for 1 year after this selection process and his service being extended from time to time for which the prisoner has been serving for more than 20 years.
Last 20 years.
Serving since
December 20 years.
nearly 20 years. And the respondent authorities having been regularized the services of the teaching staff,
On
in bracket, teachers,
page wise.
contractual teachers, on page wise, the petitioner is also entitled to be considered for regulation of his service at par with the
Teachers.
Teachers of the under the same scheme whose services have been regularized in page wise listed. And any other submissions?
Other submission now after 20 years, he has already
That
spent
I've
his
said.
prime time. So
That I've said.
nowhere to go. And we are also, I am also functioning very important works. So without that works also, the department cannot run. This is necessary and essential.
Your submission is covered in one para. He submits that next para. Huh? The appointment of the you have not been fired as on today.
Yes.
You are still working.
If they don't need my service, they could have terminated me a long back so that I can find some other jobs.
As long as scheme exists, they are in service.
And RD department, they have already absorbed in line department, in the rural works.
He submits that the action of the respondent authorities in not regularizing the contractual ministerial steps of the Service Shiksha Abhiyan, now ISEC, bracket close, while regularizing the teaching staff appointed under the same scheme is arbitrary and discriminatory.
Yes.
The authorities have deliberately ignored the case of the ministerial staff under the same scheme. And he is continuously serving by which is spent the prime time of his life in serving the department. Therefore, he submits that a direction may be issued. An appropriate order may be passed, and a direction may be issued to the respondent authority to regularize the service of the petitioner, as the petitioner is serving continuously for nearly 20 years. Mr. He, Mr. In support of his son, Mr. Jitar Land Council for the petition has placed reliance on the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Jaggo versus Union of India. It must have been reported now.
Yes, sir.
We'll find out, huh? That is 20/12/2024, huh? You are relying on para 27.
27 and 25 also, they have already discussion. The discussion is on page 27, 25.
25 to 25, 26, 27, huh? Para. Record this. We'll give the set. On the other hand, Mr. T. Tagolan, counsel for the petitioner, Land Standing Counsel for Education Department, submits that the petitioner was appointed as IED coordinator on contractual basis only for a period of 1 year. Well, list of the services and his services and his service has been extended from time to time in way of the continuation of the scheme, centrally sponsored scheme since from SSA to ISSE, which are being implemented by this is by the society or what?
My lord, this is society, my lord.
Implemented by the society through the
My lord.
government of Arunachal Pradesh. List of the guidelines, the provisions under the guidelines for appointment of teaching and non-teaching staff for the said scheme doesn't provide for any regularization. List of the services of all the staffs, including the teaching and non-teaching, will be continued as long as the scheme continues. Mr. He submits that the contractual non-teaching staff with the present petition cannot be equated with serving teachers under the scheme, as their duty and responsibility is different. Hence, the petitioner who has been appointed on contractual basis, although allowed to continue, cannot be treated at par with the serving teacher. Serving teacher as the teachers under the scheme are being regularized page-wise purely on the interest of public service as per the policy decision that is 08/01/2013 of the state government. The petitioner being non-teaching contractual staff cannot be equated with serving teacher under the scheme. And the policy decision by the state is only for regulation of serving teachers under the ISSA oblique SS, actual SSA, and not for regulation, non-teaching staff. Come on. No, the petition is not entitled to be regularized. Entitled for any regularization. If writ petition is liable to be dismissed, yes.
I have said two decision, my lord, in this aspect. That
In support of the
My lord.
commission, Mr. T. Tagu, Learned Standing Council has placed reliance of the judgment of the Supreme Court.
yes, my lord. First is
Judgment of the following judgment has placed reliance on the following judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court. Then
yes.
one name of
my
the
lord,
petitioner,
two
name of the parties.
my lord, Muhammad Abdul Qadir.
You give the
Yes,
copy
ma'am.
of the citation.
My lord.
Mohammed Abdul Qadir
versus
Director
General of Police.
General of Police report
Report in 2009
2009
6 SCC
6 SCC
611
611
para 13, 14 and 15.
13, 14 and 15.
And second
Then
one is
Second, number 2.
Guwahati High Court, my lord, versus our High Court versus Goto Ete, my lord, and others.
Guwahati High Court versus
2018 16 SCC
uh,
51 page para 31.
31. What does it
My
say?
lord, 30, my lord. Now, even it said that even it's on a contract appointment is on a contractual basis, even if there's a due process of recruitment process was done, its purpose is for contractual period and under the scheme, and that
is
cannot
reported in
my lord 2018 16 volume 16 SCC 51 paras 31, my lord. 30, my lord.
30.
Yes, 30.
30.
Yes, my lord.
And no, next one. The consideration has been extended to the submissions of land council by the parties and the and have produced the materials available on the court.
My lord.
You'll get the order by tomorrow. Let us see whether I can complete today or not.
May I seek lordship, indulgence lordship?
And then just wait. Whatever, item 25? Adjourn. Item 25 adjourn. Correct. Yes.
Lordship, may I seek lordship, indulgence lordship?
Yes.
Lordship,
Yes.
item number lordship 17, 18 and 20 lordship. It was supposed to be fixed, but inadvertently it was written as 27th and 27th was Sunday. So matter was listed today. So I'm being informed that matter is listed. I sincerely apologize that I could not appear.
Item.
17, 18
Item.
and 20 lordship. Item number 17,
17,
18 and 20.
20. Your
Yes,
name will
lordship.
be recorded only.
Yes, my
Your
lordship,
name will be
I'm on
recorded.
Yes, thank you, lordship. I deeply oblige for that, lordship.
Yes,
My
you record. We
interim
said
order is there.
non-appeals for the petitioner. You record on 17, 18 and 20. Yes.
Lordship,
We'll
I'm
see.
on interim, lordship. I'm on interim, lordship, in all the three matters. That interim may be extended,
Entry
lordship.
order was there.
Yes, lordship, in
Interim-
all the three matters.
Check it out. If there is an interim order, it will continue. Yes.
Yes, lordship, and I humbly
Order.
pray for fixing of a date, lordship, so that I can appear physically before lordship.
After 4 weeks, I think.
A date may
4
be
weeks.
fixed, lordship. I humbly pray for date may be fixed. On
Yes, give the
26th
date.
of August, 26th
26th
of
of
August,
August.
lordship.
Yes.
Deeply obliged, lordship.
We'll see. We'll see that too. You come with this file.
Deeply obliged, lordship.
Yes, sir. Page 23. Yes, it's a common transfer order. In the interest of public, the governor is pleased to order transfer posting following APC's officers with immediate effect until further. Yes, you're. Tagatatum. In charge ADC, in charge. What is it? What's wrong? You are one of the top officer of the district. In charge ADC. Sorry, sir. How? How? Where is that? Hmm. Where it is? You bring that, we'll see. Otherwise, no. It's a common transfer. It will upset everything. Okay. It's a backend. It's a backend. This thing also. It's not the. Yes, but see. It is backend post matter. And otherwise, if I have completely my end on my own, then I have no problem. See, if the respondent wants to also say respondent. Who? He has been given in your place. ADC Patuk. Patuk is which place? Sorry, sir. It's a common transfer order. What's there? He could have been brought in, he could not have been, you have been posted in a backend post. What's the law? Next day also it can be transferred. No. You are not able to say or so anything. But when no entry. Will issue notice at best? No entry. Which correspondent? Inform, huh? Inform the government. Can you call the government? Government lawyer, they say unlisted. Senior government advocate. Office. Where it is? Which one? Similar nature. Huh? ADC. Transfer of ADC. There's something different. It depends on facts to facts. It depends on facts to facts. You are additional deputy commissioner. You are not that BDO or something circle officer. Whatever, you will be working as additional deputy commissioner. Following it's a headquarter or independent charge. Independent charge. Go, please. Your, service is required there. Additional deputy commissioner is, though it's in charge, you will be holding it. You're holding the post of ADC only. It's not you cannot compare with some executive engineer or something like that. You are second in command in the district. Sir, only will issue notice, that's all. No stay. Otherwise, this will make upside down. And that's true, you are saying in the backend position. No. See, look at us. I was rostered at Guwahati for 3 weeks. I went on 20. When I did send me back here, every 2 or 3 weeks, we were traveling in the 4 states. It's your job. It's your responsibility. It's your duty. You are a second in command of the district, additional deputy commissioner. One, and except your statement, there's nothing on record to show that there's a. No status. 23rd July. Today is what? 28. Huh? Huh. It's a all common, it's a common 15 persons, right? 15 officers. And the two in a vacant position. Hmm? Why? How long you have been, how long you have been there? How long you have been there? Yeah, it's more than nearly 2 years. Enough. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? I was supposed to be for 3 weeks in Guwahati. I have traveled from one state to another state. They sent me back after 2 days. It's a public service, sir. It's a public service. There's no government lawyer. Have you given the copy? Yes. We'll take it after day after tomorrow. Huh? Tomorrow. But no stay. At best, we can issue notice. We'll see what is there in the record. How you have been transferred. No. Heard Mr. K. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this petition is to the order dated 23rd, 23/07/2025, passed by the Chief Secretary, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, whereby as many as 15 FCS officers, including the petitioner, are transferred to different places of postings. The petitioner is transferred as in charge ADC coming to in charge ADC colonial. Since the matter is taken up on being mentioned by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner as unlisted motion, and there is no representation on behalf of the state respondents. Let this matter be listed on 29/07/2025. No, that is communication only. This is by the Chief Secretary. Under Secretary cannot transfer you.